The third lesson we can take from this is trusts and transfers are under scrutiny. If assets are moved into trusts, transferred or hidden, courts and creditors can challenge those moves, especially if they look like they were done to avoid payment of a judgment. The move is called a fraudulent conveyance when you know that you owe a debt, but you refuse to pay it and you move your assets such that they nominally escape the debt. That's a fraudulent conveyance, and courts are permitted to reverse such transactions. The fourth lesson is jurisdiction is important. Fred Goldman had to domesticate the California judgment in Nevada to make it enforceable against Simpson's Nevada estate. Every state has its own rules about probate, creditor claims, and what counts as a valid claim, how interest accrues, and how long it can be enforced. Fifth and final, transparency and executor conduct. An executor has to account for claims, be honest with beneficiaries, and follow law over politics or sentiment. Public statements like "we will pay zero" may win headlines, but legally the executor has to follow the legal process. Eventually, Mr. Laverne did recognize that. The situation with Mr. Simpson's estate shows us that even large sums, even when there are some celebrity names involved, can't escape the law forever. The debt doesn't just go away simply because someone is famous or because a lot of time has passed. If you want to make sure your estate obligations are clear, your trusts are properly structured, and that debts or judgments won't come back to haunt your heirs, I'd be glad to help. Reach out to us at Speedwell Law. Thanks for watching.